Class 9th Physical Activity Trainer with Voice Unit 4 Children Health and Safety.
Welcome to my channel Class Winners Books.
Introduction to Child Health and Safety. The chapter introduces the foundations of child health care, emphasizing healthy habits, nutrition, and hygiene. It aims to equip parents, caregivers, and educators with practical skills and knowledge for promoting children's physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Also, it covers the critical aspects of safety management, including equipment storage, playground practices, emergency response, and the basics of first aid and exit protocols to create safe, supportive environments. Child health care knowledge and habits. Key knowledge areas. Vaccinations. Immunization protects children against serious diseases like measles, mumps, polio, and others. Following a recommended vaccination schedule reduces risk in the community and is essential for overall health. 1. Growth and development. Regular monitoring ensures that children achieve age-appropriate physical, cognitive, emotional, and social milestones. Early identification of delays can lead to timely intervention. 1. Nutrition. Balanced diets support growth, brain development, immune strength, and energy. It's important to offer meals with fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and healthy fats rather than excessive sugar or processed foods. Common illnesses. Understanding symptoms of childhood ailments like colds, ear infections, gastroenteritis helps in effective and early management. Safety. Childproofing spaces, teaching safety rules, and using equipment appropriately at home and school minimize accidents. Hygiene. Daily routines of hand washing, dental care, bathing, clean clothes, and nail trimming prevent spread of germs, keep skin healthy, and support confidence. Building healthy habits. Physical activity, regular play, exercise, and sports help maintain weight, build muscles and bones, and develop coordination, while fighting off sedentary risks such as obesity and poor cardiovascular health. Sleep. Consistent bedtime routines and adequate sleep, about 8 to 10 hours, help growth, brain development, and emotional stability. Healthy eating. Involving children in meal preparation encourages healthy habits, limit sugary snacks and processed foods. Screen time. Restricting TV, video games, and smartphone use in favor of reading, outdoor play, and creativity reduces sedentary behavior and negative effects on mental health. Emotional support. A loving, respectful environment with positive relationships builds children's resilience, stress management skills, and happiness. Routine health care visits, preventive care, vaccinations, medical screenings, and timely attention to concerns lays a strong foundation for lifelong health. Social bonds. Encouraging friendships, positive interactions with family and peers supports mental and emotional well-being. Physical, mental, and emotional health. Nutrition. Key for growing bodies and minds include whole foods, focusing on diverse sources of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. 1. Physical activity. Scheduled exercise reduces disease risk, improves sleep, and builds healthy habits. Hygiene. Cleanliness routines fight infections, promote self-esteem, and enable healthy participation in social life. Immunizations. Essential to keep up to date to protect not only the child but the larger community. Mental health. Watch for signs of stress, anxiety, and behavioral changes. Teach coping skills such as deep breathing and problem solving. Preventive care. Disease prevention, example hand hygiene, and safety rules, example crossing streets, equipment safety, lower injury risk. Support systems. Family, community, peers, and professional support, teachers, counselors, work together to nurture children. Factors influencing health and hygiene. Hygiene routines. Personal hygiene consists of daily brushing, washing hands, bathing, oral care, cleaning hair and nails, and wearing fresh clothes. These routines prevent germs, odors, and skin problems, and promote a positive self-image. 1. Best practices. Hand washing, before eating, after bathroom, after outdoor play, after caring for the sick, after touching animals or garbage. Oral care, brushing twice daily, replacing toothbrushes regularly, annual dental checkups, daily tongue cleaning. Bathing and hair care, daily baths, frequent hair washes for scalp health and lice prevention. Clothing and footwear, regularly changing clothes and socks, keeping shoes clean and well-fitting. Managing odors, keeping body dry, changing clothes after exercise, use of deodorant as needed. Sleep and ear care. Adequate sleep boosts immunity, clean ears and accessories support hearing and hygiene. Breath and foot care, hydration, dental disease management, foot washing and care, especially in active children. Sanitation and waste, clean toilets, bathrooms, dustbins for trash, and disease-free surroundings. Influencing factors. Culture, customs and beliefs decide hygiene standards. Socioeconomic status, access to clean water, sanitation, and resources limits or supports hygiene practices. Family, early lessons from caregivers form lifelong habits. Personality and illness, attitudes and physical conditions can change routines. Benefits. Good hygiene prevents disease, controls odor, supports skin health, improves appearance, builds self-confidence, and enables social acceptance. 1. Nutrition and food groups. Essential nutrient groups. Carbohydrates, energy supply, best from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Proteins, build repair body tissues, enzymes, immunity, found in meat, dairy, eggs, legumes, nuts. Fats, provide energy, cell protection, absorb vitamins, get from nuts, seeds, oils, fatty fish. Vitamins, minerals, support body function, strong bones, teeth, metabolic health, wide variety in fruits, vegetables, meats, dairy. Water, regulates body temperature, aids digestion, flushes waste, carries nutrients. 8 glasses daily are recommended, more for active kids. Balanced diet. Select foods from all groups, manage intake of saturated fat, sugar, and salt, and eat proper portions for age, height, weight, and activity. For adolescents, 11 to 15 years, 2,200 to 2,500 kcal day is typical, with higher needs for active children. Diet should be adjusted for physical activity. More movement allows more flexibility in food choices. Safety management. Equipment storage. Store all equipment indoors to prevent damage, theft, and deterioration. Organize items, use shelves and bins, label and group similar items. Secure with locks, check climate control, ventilate and inspect regularly. Track inventory and keep maintenance logs. Optimize space using vertical shelving and clear walkways. Playground safety. Supervision and training. Adults coaches oversee play and can intervene quickly. Surface and equipment. Use shock-absorbing surfaces, remove debris. Equipment should have rounded edges. Regular maintenance is critical. Safe practices. Teach proper techniques, awareness of surroundings, no crowding, and correct clothing. Avoid drawstrings. Weather and belongings. Adjust for hot-cold surfaces, sunscreen use, and keep personal items out of play zones. First aid and emergency response. Principles and objectives. First aid preserves life, prevents further harm, and aids recovery. 1. Act swiftly, calmly, and confidently, minimize movement, reassure the injured. Stop bleeding, clean wounds, bandage, perform CPR for breathing problems. Handling common injuries. Wounds, clean, apply pressure, elevate, bandage. Deep arterial bleeding needs medical attention. Nosebleeds. Lean forward, pinch nostrils, use moistening sprays, avoid picking. Choking, identify if the victim can speak, cough, act quickly if not. Sports injuries, sprains, ligaments, and strains, muscles, tendons, are common. Use RICE for treatment. Heat exhaustion, stroke, move to cooler place, cold compress, water, seek help for severe symptoms. First aid kit contents. Include splints, bandages, cotton wool, dressings, crepe bandage, gloves, eye pads, safety pins, adhesive plaster, scissors, tweezers, antiseptics, gauze, pen pad, masks, and magnifying lens. Emergency exit protocol. Know exit routes, participate in drills, and memorize emergency contacts. 1. Stay calm, follow instructions, use nearest safe exit, leave belongings. Avoid elevators, assist special needs students, proceed to assembly points. Head count after evacuation, stay put, report any missing individuals or hazards. Know location of emergency kits and basic first aid skills. Learning outcomes. Demonstrate broad child health care knowledge. Integrate safety management in daily routines and play. Respond effectively in emergencies, including administering first aid. Foster environments that support child growth, safety, and holistic well-being. Example table, key child health and safety domains. Domain key points and examples. Vaccination immunization schedules for disease prevention. 1. Nutrition macronutrients, micronutrients, water intake, balanced meals. 1. Hygiene hand washing, dental care, bathing, clean clothes, nail foot care. 1. Physical activity scheduled play, sports, outdoor time for coordination, strength. 1. Emotional well-being supportive environment, stress coping, relationships, screen time limits. 1. Safety management, equipment storage, playground maintenance, safe practices, drills. 1. First aid RICE for injuries, CPR, wound care, first aid kit, choking response. 1. Emergency protocol, exit routes, assembly points, communication, assisting others. 1.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Class Winner Books.